Hello, I am Esther. Today I'm going to cook Garganelli with zucchini pesto and shrimps, an evolution of the more traditional pasta with zucchini and shrimps. We will need some zucchini, some basil, some Grana Padano cheese or Parmigiano Reggiano, some Pecorino Romano, a few almonds, garlic, extra virgin olive oil. I grated 2 zucchini, and there are 3 in the photo, but 2 were enough. I put the zucchini into a bowl and season with salt and let it rest for a while until the zucchini will release the water. I drain the zucchini and press it with a spoon to take off all the water. I put the almonds in a mixer together with the garlic and extra virgin olive oil. Then I start to mix. I add the zucchini and mix again. I add some other olive oil because it was in need. And the basil. Now add the 2 cheeses and season with some pepper. Be careful with the salt because the zucchini were already salted and the Pecorino Romano is quite salty. The zucchini pesto is now ready. Set aside and let's cook the pasta. I use Garganelli. It's a pasta made with flour and eggs. You can use whatever kind of pasta you prefer, like fusilli, penne, macaroni, spaghetti, what you like. When the pasta is almost ready, brown a garlic clove in a little oil. Don't put too much oil because there is a lot in the pesto. Add the shrimps. Let it take the flavor of the garlic for a while, and when the pasta is ready, add the pasta to the shrimps. Be careful not to throw away the water because we will need it later. Add the pesto and some spoon of the water in which you cooked the pasta, and mix until the seasoning will be smooth and creamy. You can match this dish with a dry and still white wine such as Müller Thurgau. Buon appetito! Enjoy!